Hey guys, Cameron over at 816 Diesel, bringing you a cold start walk around video today. As usual, we're down here in the West Bottoms in Kansas City, Missouri. Beautiful day out today, almost 90 degrees already. So it's not much of a cold start, and we drove the truck from the shop down there about a mile, so it's where we're at. Got a super cool truck though. Never seen one come out of our camp before, so it is a new one for us. We've been chasing this truck forever. 05 F350 1-ton short bed Harley Davidson 6.0 Powerstroke, special Harley Davidson package, true blue with the ghost flame on the bottom doors there. Super nice truck. I mean, I'm not lying guys, we've been buying and selling trucks for going on 10 years now and never have had one of these. They're always stacked on miles and just roached out or completely blowing up. So we got a cool one. 05, like I said, 1-ton F350. Good miles too. Let's get this cluster on here. 134,684. You can see the tranny's warming up a little bit. Motor is still pretty cold. It's got a little temp registered, so. Truck fires right up. No codes, no issues, no nothing. AC is nice and cold. Like I said, it's almost 90 out, so pardon me for having this cranked up. These Harley Davidsons come with every option you could get in this truck back in the day. So little special things like the chrome bezels around the dash there. I'm trying to adjust my camera here. We've got a new one, so bear with me for a sec. There we go. Special dash, just like I said, some gauges. It says Harley Davidson on it. One of the cooler things is this, the film. As you can see, they're little Harley Davidson logos on this dash. And that continues throughout the door panels right there. Of course, we have the leather insignia VIN tag on the center console that has the VIN right there for the truck to make sure it is the right one. All the options as far as availability back then was 6-disc in-dash. Got your parking sensors, power sliding rear window, 4-wheel drive, digital climate control AC. Has the controls on the steering wheel as well, so you can up and down your fan speed and turn it low and turn it high. All those seem to be working properly. Let's check the radio here. Yep. Good jam too. But obviously one of the better options, sunroof. A lot of these trucks were made for work and did not come with sunroof. So if you are someone that enjoys the fancier amenities, these Harley Davidsons are trimmed up. Black leather seats, two-tone gray stripe with the metal Harley plate on the swath there. And it's a full back seat too. A lot of these Harley trucks came with dual console setup, so this is a little more desirable. If you got kids out there, you can still put 5 people in this truck comfortably. Tinted windows, smoke in the rain guards. Come up down there. Now, we didn't do a whole lot with this truck, guys. I know we usually lift them and jack them up and make them look all cool, but these Harley Davidsons, they have a cult following. We weren't gonna, you know, I just didn't want to take away from it. They're so original with all their stuff. I mean, it has that's a Harley logo on the windshield there, and if you look up here, these are all little Harley logos. There's just so many cool things that already make this truck cool. So it was leveled when we got it. We didn't touch anything. We just ran it through the shop, rebuilt the whole front end, went through it all, made sure it was in good shape. I mean, it's a low mileage truck, so you know, it runs like a striped ape. It's a strong running truck with no issues. The only downside is it's got some rust. 130,000 miles. It's low miles. There are some parts on the exterior that the previous owner put on to prevent the rust, but it is a northern truck. I want to say we have a Illinois or Minnesota title on it. So it's not as bad as most northern trucks, but we're going to go over here in a minute. First, I'm going to pop the hood. We're going to go check out under the hood. It is a stock truck. As far as mechanical, it has a Sinister EGR Delete that was already on it when we got it. Other than that, it's stock head bolts, motorcraft batteries. Nice proper coolant level. Nice soft hose. And when I show you guys hose pressure, Like, this is really pliable. Granted, the truck's not warm, but I'm just trying to show you what's going on with this rig. It does make a little pulley noise. You'll hear it in the morning for about 10 seconds and then it goes away. Blow by is extremely minimal. Perfect, pretty much what you want to see as far as blow by, hardly any. And like I said, nothing fancy under the hood. We didn't have to do much to this truck. It ran great when we got it. We serviced the fuel filters, stuff like that, basic service. The original headlights were oxidized. We do have them, but we just put another set of aftermarkets on that are brand new. It really just kind of makes it pop. Harley Davidson got a factory billet grille, that's OEM. Full paint to match front bumper with chrome tow hooks. These are all just some of the little options that, you know, when people ask, what do you get when you get a Harley? These little things are what makes it. Factory 20-inch wheels. And we got a nice tire on there. It's a brand new Cooper Discover AT3. 275, 65, 20. And I mean, they're healthy. It's new tires, new shocks on it. The levels on the bottom, the previous owner had this truck leveled. We did not mess with it. We just rebuilt the front suspension. Kind of pop down and show you that too. You see ball joints, brand new. A lot of new front suspension parts. Alignment, had the AC charge, put some dye in it to make sure it wasn't leaking. It's ice cold. Got Harley Davidson badges on the fenders. The Harley Davidson Powerstroke decal coming down the door here. You got the ghost flames. Very subtle modifications to a factory truck, but they really look sharp. Factory painted door handles like the sport packages. Factory painted fender flares. So like I said, this truck does have some rust, and I'm going to show it to you guys today. It's not, like I said, awful, but it's not a California or an Oklahoma truck either. So rockers are really nice. The front fascias, usually you see those things roached out. They're nice. Cab corners, they're starting to bubble, and I know you can see that there. They are not roached out. They are not filled. They are original. Look at these weird covers. These are rocker covers for northern, so you don't get that snow and salt kick up in there. So those were added by the previous owner. So cab corners are actually really nice. That's pretty minimal for, you know, some of these trucks I see. Most of them have fist-size holes right there. You can stick your hand up in them. So like I said, there is some rust, but it isn't terrible. That's the driver's side. Like I said, this is really nice right here. A little bit of surface starting down there, you can see it. Bottoms of the doors are not perfect. They're not completely roached out, but they're not perfect. So a little bit on the bottoms of the doors. You can kind of see a little bubble right there coming through the paint. I'm trying to show it to you. This truck's real shiny. Now in the wheel wells here, again, I didn't put these on. They have more of these guards. They're like plastic wheel well liners. They go over the OEM liner to keep that salt kick up and that grime from building up. The bed does have some rust on it. Sorry, I'm trying to show you guys here. This camera is kind of weird about it. So I'm not claiming it to be a rust-free bed. And if we look over these fender flares here, it's not really showing, but right there, see these bubbles? You got some bubbles coming through on the fender flares there. You can kind of tell the bed. Hold on a sec here, my camera's acting up on me again. The bed body line is slightly sagging from rust on the cross rails. It's not flawless, guys, but again, it ain't the worst. For a northern truck, bottom of the tailgate has some bubbles coming through. It's all bubbles. It hasn't fully rotted yet. Has the liner in it. What's weird is these rear painted bumpers always rust out. This one has the backup sensors, factory tow package with all your wiring, trailer connections there. Factory Harley Davidson chrome bullet tip. Same thing over here. It's got these aftermarket liners in them. I mean, we cleaned them up, washed the truck. We did not put them in there though. This truck came with all this weather guard accessories already installed. Rocker and cab corner over here. Really nice looking. Like, this side isn't bad at all. There isn't even bubbles on this side. Passenger side is super clean. The door's really nice too. It's got some rust on it. The bottoms of the doors have a little bit. Back seat, little chrome handles, more of those little accessories I was telling you about. Has the OEM weather mats in it. I know it's a little bit longer of a video, guys, but this is a cool Harley, so I just kind of want to show you. A lot of people don't even know what's in the Harley package. Power passenger seats with the heater that both work. All in all, super nice truck. I think I've tried to show you to the best of my ability the rust and condition of this vehicle. That being said, if you're interested in it, get a hold of me soon. I know these trucks sell fast. I mean, heck guys, I'd only have one truck for sale on my website right now. I can't keep anything over a week. So if you're interested, let me know. 816diesel.com. Head on over to the website. Pictures, VIN, pricing, everything you need to know about this truck. Any question you're asking yourself, the answer is on my website, including my contact information. Get a hold of me. My name's Cameron. Phone number is 913-735-3748. Call me, text me, let me know if you want to check it out or if you have any questions. I'm happy to help. As always, guys, thank you for subscribing. And if you haven't subscribed yet, click that like button. Give us a follow. We always got cool trucks coming up. So beat the heat out there. Stay safe, everybody. Thank you.